Hi friends, welcome back to Mommy School. Today we are going to draw ice cream cones, and if you have the materials at home, you can make the paint puffy paint. So I'm going to show you kind of how we're going to do this. So I drew a triangle. So if we're not used to drawing triangles, you might need Mom and Dad's help for this. But to draw my triangle for my ice cream cone, you're going to need 3 lines. So you're going to do a line across, and then you're going to have your 2 lines connect. And do the best you can, and then if it's hard, maybe Mom and Dad can help you. So I have my cone. Now I need to draw my circles. So that's what my circle looks like. It's not perfect. So for your circle, maybe give yourself a little dot, and you're going to take your marker or your crayon, and you're going to try to go around and stop at the dot. And you can draw 2 circles, you can draw 3 circles, however many scoops of ice cream you want. All right, so once you've drawn your shapes, you're gonna need your scissors. And remember our song? Thumb goes in the little hole, fingers in the big hole, like this. And we always cut up and away from our bodies. And you're gonna make sure that chicken wing is down. All right, so here I go. I'm gonna cut into my paper, and then I'm gonna turn it with my left hand, because I'm right-handed. I open, shut them, open, shut. Give a little cut, cut, cut. Open, shut them, open, shut. All right, so I've got my 1 circle cut out. That's 1 scoop. I'm gonna get my other scoop. And it's okay if they're not exactly the same size. One of mine is bigger than the other one. That's okay. Maybe just make the big ones go on the bottom. And that means you can have different flavors of ice cream. All right. So for those of you at home who have shaving cream, Elmer's glue, and paint, you can make a really cool, like fluffy, puffy paint, which I was planning on doing until my kids ran through all of our Elmer's glue. So I unfortunately don't have the glue, but you would just take as much shaving cream as you have glue, mix it up in a bowl, and add some color to it. And then you mix it up so it's nice and puffy, and then just paint it right on the paper. If you don't have that at home, because not everybody has shaving cream or Elmer's glue, you can use regular paint that you have at home. You could use markers. If you use markers, maybe you could decorate it with like sprinkles. So it looks like we're running low on our acrylic paints too at my house, but I'm going to see what we have. Looks like we have a lot of orange. So I'm going to make one of my scoops orange. I'm going to paint the whole thing. It's got some dark paint mixed in there too. Okay, so I'm gonna hold my paintbrush, I'm gonna paint. And I'm gonna try and fill in the whole scoop. And when you're at home, you can do this on a flat surface, it'll be easier, okay? So you're gonna paint, paint, paint until it's all filled in. All right, and then I'm gonna set that aside to dry. And I'm gonna get my other ice cream. I'm gonna make this one, let's see, hot pink. It looks like I have a lot of that one. I'm gonna paint it. And moms and dads, watch how your child is holding a paintbrush. See if you can help them with their grip to make sure that they're using kind of that 3-finger grip we want them to use. Okay, let's see, almost done. And I am not painting mine all the way to the edges just because I'm not going to wait for it to dry before I glue it together. And make sure I have room to grab it. But if you're at home, you can paint all the way to the sides. All right, so now I have that done. And while that's drying, I'm going to cut my triangle out. And I kind of did that part on purpose. So hopefully mine will dry a little bit. Again, with my scissors. Thumb in the little hole, fingers in the big hole. And then I'm gonna go open, shut them, open, shut. Give a little cut, cut, cut. And I'm gonna turn the paper instead of turning my hand in, because then I'm cutting myself. So there we go. Turn the paper, cut up, up, up. Turn the paper, cut all the way across. All right, so now I have my ice cream cone. So on a different sheet of paper, you can use glue or tape if you have tape at home. I'm going to use tape because I'm doing it on my board. So I'm going to put my ice cream scoop down first. Once these are dry for you guys, You can put tape on the back or glue on the back and make an ice cream scoop, an ice cream cone. With the puffy paint, it's kind of cool. You can also, if you use the puffy paint with shaving cream and Elmer's glue, you can add like glitter into it, or once you're done painting it, you can sprinkle actual real life food sprinkles on top and then it'll stick in the paint and then it'll be a little bit puffier. It'll look like real ice cream. All right, thanks for watching.